welcome back to Bighorn Woodworks. Sorry it's been a while since I've done any kind of project video. We're getting our house ready to sell and the priority has been about completing the work rather than filming and editing. The other day I had to replace the pickets on our little privacy fence, so this is just a short little video about how to make a big difference with an afternoon project. I'm just going to put a screw on the top of this one here, just a little bit, and then second screw over here. So, got the two end boards on there. I'm just going to take a string and we'll knot in one end. Top. That, give it a good loop. So now I'll be able to follow these boards and line them up right to there. This is a replacement fence. Makes this a lot easier. Oh, hey, it's okay. It's all right. I don't want to touch him. There you go. Little guy is sleeping in there. We're just going to put him back. Put that there. And we're not going to disturb him anymore. By the way, if anybody's wondering why the fence needs to be replaced, it's because of this. My daughter was using it as a backstop, and not only did she completely annihilate the fence, but she pretty much permanently marked the house. I haven't been able to get those hockey puck marks off yet. So it's a good idea to get those screws as close to there as you can. But another thing you have to watch out for, I can get this right here. This is a nice little crack that's already in the wood. As this dries, that's going to split even further. If I put a screw out here, that'll keep this side at least from bowing out, but it's not going to do much for right here. You may want to put a third screw just to keep that from popping out, or later on down the road, if you see that start to cup, catch it before it becomes too big of a problem. well, we're done with the gate repair project. Just put new pickets up. I switched around the door. The door was facing the other direction, so I had to change the gate hardware to go the opposite way. But she's all done. She opens, closes. I'll have to turn the bottom off just a little bit. I'll do that off camera. I'll do it I won't even put it on video. It's just trimming up the bottom while it's in place there with a Sawzall, just to make clearance so that it comes out just fine. Got my pickets lining up nice. Would back off a little bit further, but there's a sun right here that if I back up just a little bit more, you won't be able to see anything. So there she is, fence project all done. Till then, be safe, get out to your shop, enjoy your time, and thanks for watching Bighorn Woodworks.